No.
Okay, now we'll keep everything.
Garbage. Oh my gosh. What year is this?
Hi. You're watching Ruth Getting Things Done, and you're going to see how I turned this spare bedroom into a classroom. I just want to say welcome to all of my new subscribers and thank you to all of my old subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Also, don't forget to thumbs up and like this video. Okay, this is the before. I am very embarrassed to show people this. This is a bookshelf I just bought from Walmart. That's another bookshelf, same one. Okay, we removed the bins. The bins are rehomed into their new location, like the shed or closets. Now we're filtering through what's trash and what we would need. Do we need that Christmas sunglasses, Misha? It's a lot of mess. Yeah. This is how it is. Slowly coming to life. Slowly but surely.
Are you done for me?
Okay, most of the items that was laid out here on the floor is now put away. Now it's time for me to vacuum and shampoo the carpet. Okay, it's now the next day and I am about to paint. I put everything in the middle. Well, everything that was on this wall in the middle. I still haven't touched that wall yet. And then I'm going to paint the walls. So this is the before. Hey y'all, again. I just finished painting, like touch up the room. So as you can see here behind me, I just touched up the door, this wall. I touched up all around here. I just gotta clean this right there. All right, here was touched up as well, even the baseboards. So now I am going to let the room dry. So once it's finished drying tomorrow, I'm gonna build the desk from scratch. Get ready. I can't wait. Hi. Okay, as you can see behind me is the desk that I took all day to construct with the help of my niece and my husband. So it took us all day, literally from 1 p.m. to now. I think it's about, oh, it's 12:50 a.m. So it's been super long. It's been a long day. So approximately 12 hours to do this. This is a whole separate video, so I'm gonna link a whole video how I built this desk. It's a two-person desk using a door as the desktop. Pretty amazing, right? I got that idea from Anna White, AnnaWhite.com. Now I am attacking this. This housed my husband's items, so what I need to do first is make sure his closet, yeah, that's his closet over there. I have to fix that closet first, you know, like organize everything, and then try to fit what he have in here. Oh, he's not organized. What he have in here, I have to try to fit it in here. Here, and then the rest of the, you know, like probably put like bins or something and whatnot. But yeah, because without that, this cannot really leave, because he keep telling me he needs this. I don't know why he need it for, but this is where the bookshelves are going to be, and also the other desk. One of those desks over here. One of those desks is gonna be here with the two bookshelves. So we'll see how it turns out. This is the end, y'all. This is like a spare television. Not that we're gonna use anything. Maybe we will. And that's also the sharpener. This is the board. Welcome to home learning. Yes, that's me. Read. This is Amy's section. My daughter. This is Jacob's section. My son. This is my niece section. 11th grade. This is just the storage. That's just storage, because this was a storage room, remember? This is a storage room now. I just had to change it to a classroom because it's more comfortable when the kids have their own section. They don't have to worry about, you know, other people making noise in the house. This is the bookshelf. This is my art section over here. I love this area. Just random storage, and also extra books. My art easel. If you want to see how I made those art easels, there's a video. This is for Arthur. This is Arthur's section. I just have to get him a chair. This is another bookshelf with other storage options. I like this. I made that myself. And this one is for August and Arthur. Both of them can sit here comfortably, but mostly for August, because it's like when the kids have their own, like when they're doing their work, he always wants to be on them or around them. So he can be in this room, but he can also be preoccupied with his own work. Yeah, this is it. This is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.